What's your name?
My name is Short.
Shall where are you from?
I'm from Support.
Okay, fine. You are living in support, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. As you are living in support, so I think you must have an idea about the education system of our city.
Yes.
So can you speak something about the education system of our city?
The education system of my city is not too much good, but it is still better than the other cities in that are near to our cities. There are lots of facilities in our cities, schools and colleges. Like there are very educated and qualified teachers, and there are well-disciplined students, and we can study with them to obtain disciplined manner and education too. And the facilities of school, like the rooms, like the windows, doors, their positions are so correct as we do not feel warm and cold in the classrooms. And it is also a part of our education system. And but there are some problems in our city's education system too, because there are not too many too much good students for the subjects like computers. But the world is getting modern day by day, and the world of computer is coming ahead, and so that we must focus to the digital education too.
Okay, fine. So, Shorty, do you use mobile phone?
Yes, I use.
Can you speak something about the use of mobile phones and misuse also?
The uses of mobile phones is to read, we can play games to entertain ourselves, and we can even watch movies and listen music. And the music is a good medicine for the disease like depression, etc. The mobile phone helps us to know uh, about many things, like we can search anything on the search engines like Google and Yahoo. But there are many disadvantages too, like if we use it in a high amount, then our eyes can be damaged, and it is also very harmful to our mind. And sometimes the students, and the mostly the childs who are not even teenagers, go on the social media platform, and they just learn the bad things that are happening in the society. But it is not the age to learn these things. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of smartphones.
How many brothers and how many sisters you have?
I have one brother and one sister, and they both are very sweet.
Very sweet, huh? So, can I speak something about your sweet sister?
My sister is very sweet, and her name is Kumari Sonam. She's better than me in studies. She's roll number is 22, and mine is 27. You can see the difference. And she is very good in writing and drawing. In that things I'm not too good. And she is very caring, and she helps me a lot in every work. And I like my sister a lot, and I love her too.
What do you think about your brother?
My uh, my brother is my teacher from the birth. He teaches me everything what I know, and he is a great inspiration of me. And I just like to be like him. He is a good speaker, and he has great skill in the internet, and he is using it and doing something, and he is good in studies too. So I like my
Okay, fine.
siblings.
You are living at this moment in Vidyapuri, right?
Yes, sir.
So, can you speak something about your locality in Vidyapuri?
The Vidyapuri is a great society. There is no discrimination there, but sometimes the discrimination just happens due to the beggars. The beggars comes, and some people just throw the things on them, but it's not good. But except this problem, our society is really good, and there are mainly educated peoples are living in our society, and they all are very they have self respect, and they are very respectful in their society, in our society.
You want to say that in this locality, a lot of teachers, a lot of coaching centers are here. So,
Yes, there are many teachers, professors, and due to it, the students of my society go to their houses and learn.
so sorry. What do you think about the roads of Vidyapur?
In my opinion, it was not too good, but currently the a construction happened and the road is better than the previous. But um, the road which is ahead, the construction is not fine even now. So the government should take actions on it and must make the roads of the Vidyapuri good, because it is a huge problem of the youth Vidyapuri. And if you will just go to a driver of e-rickshaw, he will just say he will cost 50 rupees to just make you travel to from Loya Chowk to just Vidyapuri due to its road, because it's too dangerous.
Yeah. Who's your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Amit sir.
Okay, fine. Can I speak something about your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is an English teacher. Is an English teacher. He teaches us how to speak English, and he also teaches us grammar. That is a uh, very important part of English. He teaches us spoken English, and he is very good at this. And he do not focus on the theoretical things. He just tell us to do it practically, and it is very helpful to us. And due to it, I'm here and speak.
Okay. Who's your best friend?
My best friend is Nihal.
Speak something about you, Nehal also.
Nihal, Nihal is very good. He just helps me. Sometimes he irritates me, but it is the nature of the friends to just do it. The friends are the people who helps and irritates us too. We play the games together, and sometimes we study too. And so he is my best friend, and I know him from a lots of years, almost 5 or 6 years.
Do you use social media?
No, I do not. Yes, I use the social medias like YouTube to just watch the videos, but do not post on the social medias.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Ajay Kumar.
Can I speak something about your father?
My father's name is Mr. Ajay Kumar. He is an advocate and he is very good at his work, and he has self-respect, and he do not uh, take the case of the criminals. He just always stands uh, in the preference of the right person, and he always gives justice to everybody, and that's the work of an advocate.
Thank you very much. Nice talking to you.